What if you could turn simple text or images into stunning videos in minutes? Meet Pollo AI, the all-in-one AI video generator that gives you access to the most powerful AI models in one place. Pollo AI, developed by AI, lets you create videos from text prompts, still images, or even existing clips. It supports over 150 creative filters, from realistic styles to anime, claymation, Pixar-like animations, and more. Go to Pollo AI and sign up for a free account. Choose a creation type: text to video, image to video, or video to video. Write your prompt or upload your image video. Pick your favorite style and AI model, like Kling, Runway, Luma, or Pika. Click Generate and let Pollo AI do the magic. The free plan lets you test features but includes watermarks and limits output length. For watermark-free, high-quality, and longer videos, the paid plans start at a few dollars per month. Pollo AI is perfect for YouTube creators, marketers, educators, or anyone who wants quick, eye-catching video content without learning complex editing. Start creating with Pollo AI today. The link is in the description. If you found this tutorial helpful, like the video, subscribe to Faceless AI and share it with your friends.